That smells really good, though.
That smells amazing. What kind of watermelon is this? Ooh, I wonder if it's seedless.
It's not. I see seeds. Dude, okay, it's gonna explode. It's gonna explode.
Oh, dude! That was amazing! I turned away for it. Did you see it? I saw it. No!
And now it's time for the
Challenge Bowl!
YouTube's biggest creators are here to compete in the first annual Pocket Watch Challenge Bowl. The king of toys and play, Ryan Toys Review. A pig, frog, and bear who took YouTube by storm, HobbyKidsTV. The unstoppable brother and sister team of EvanTubeHD and JillianTubeHD. A Minecraft master with a penchant for trolling the underbelly of Reddit, CaptainSparklez. Joined by the Pocket Watch crew, this is the first annual Pocket Watch Challenge Bowl!
Hi, welcome to the first annual
Pocket Watch Challenge Bowl!
We've got a very excited crowd here today to support their favorite stars. Over the past week, we've gone head-to-head with our friends from
Ryan's Toy Review,
EvanTubeHD,
HobbyKids,
and CaptainSparklez.
Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Each of them battled in a playoff game, but only two will survive. We'll look back at these awesome matchups and then watch live as the two finalists face off in the big championship game.
But wait, Brandy, there's more.
What? There is?
Yeah, there is. We're gonna see what happens when we add a whole lot of liquid nitrogen, hot water, and tons of cereal into this trash can.
I imagine it's gonna explode.
We can only hope so.
First off, let's take a look back at the playoff games between Ryan Family Review and EvanTube. The first playoff battle began when Ryan challenged Evan and Jillian to an exciting game of hide-and-seek Roblox.
Oh, he's right behind. Oh, he's coming. Oh, no, Ryan! He's right there.
We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. Let's see how Evan and Julian do at EvanTubeHD.
Bro, go 8, 7.
He's running out of time.
Oh no! Oh, wait, look, those little mouse. Oh no!
Evan and Jillian survived the longest and took home the win!
Woo!
We did it!
Meanwhile, Evan and Jillian challenged Ryan to a heart-stopping game of Shark Bites Roblox.
Oh, Shark has been released.
Shark.
Pointing at the shark.
Oh,
Yeah, look at that boat.
Shoot this cannon. Oh, yeah, it does shoot it.
Fire cannon.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
That
They
was
can.
good. They need to get to the land.
Oh, no way. Wasted.
Ryan did pretty good, except for the part where he lost his head at the end. Oh, there it is! Oh no, run! Go to the other direction, quick! Oh no, we gotta rescue this guy! Whoa, no, man! Hey! Yes, okay, thanks, man. Oh, we're the only survivors left.
Evan managed to escape his sinking unicorn boat and stay alive.
And after fierce competition, EvanTube wins!
Congrats to Evan and Jillian for moving on to the next round!
And the sound of the obnoxious cow can only mean one thing. Pie cam!
Thanks, PieCam.
Our next pair of playoff games featured two teams, the HobbyKids versus EvanTube. Let's go see these two battle it out.
EvanTubeHD challenged HobbyKidsTV to play the terrifying game Joy of Creation.
So, oh! Oh, Freddy!
Close the blinds.
I don't know. Whoa! Freddy was there. Yeah, no, but we good. Whoa! Who was that?
Freddy!
Okay, let's see how HobbyKids do.
How come you had to choose such a scary game?
No, turn on the lights. Turn on the lights.
Oh no.
It's too quiet. Can somebody strike up a conversation with me? The alarm's off. They're here. Why is my screen shaking?
Because they're near. They're near. So get down. Did they beat it?
Summoning all their courage, Hobby Pig and Hobby Frog managed to make it to the end of the level and bring a solid victory to HobbyKidsTV.
I did it! Yes!
Next, it was a race through the snowy hills of Mount Wario as HobbyKids challenged Evan and Jillian to play a Mario Kart 8 time trial.
I just saved.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Nice!
Yes!
Yes.
Yes!
Woo.
Let's see what you can do, EvanTube.
Get the bumps, 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 get the bumps.
Sounds like a song. Get the bumps, get the bumps, get the bumps.
The time Evan and Jillian had to beat was 2 minutes and 16 seconds.
Faster!
22.
Okay.
22.
Oh.
Wait, we won?
So after an epic showdown, Hobby Kids knocks out EvanTube and we'll be moving on to the championship. Alrighty, we have one more playoff game to review, but before we do, Vitaly, how's it going preparing for the closing ceremony?
You know what, Brandy? The mood is high over here. Liquid nitrogen is nitrogening. Well, we gotta be careful with that. And then we have all of our cereal right here. We got tons of boxes. We're gonna start pouring, you know?
Rice Krispies. Whoa, that looks really cool.
Ooh, that's a good mix there. This is just in case our explosion's gonna have high cholesterol. This will lower the cholesterol.
Our final playoff game was between CaptainSparklez and us. Let's check it out. For our first playoff battle, we faced CaptainSparklez in a game of Mirror's Edge.
If you guys could not watch though,
Okay.
you know, that'd
Okay, our eyes are closed.
Yeah, don't worry. We're not even looking at all.
Watching.
Oh!
39-36. That is the time to beat. I feel like you can do that though.
Hey! Hey! No!
That's
How did my
messed up.
guy fall? Hey, my laces were untied. That was interference.
This is
Dude,
not.
we got this, Brandy.
Oh man!
Oh,
Come on!
yes.
There's no chance. Despite our best efforts, CaptainSparklez took home the best time and the victory in this matchup. Finally, we challenged CaptainSparklez to Monument Valley. The goal was simple: who could get the farthest in 10 minutes and not be distracted by the other team's bad jokes.
Why did the can crusher quit his job?
Because he was crushed.
Soda pressing.
That's a bad pun.
How do you make a tissue dance?
You put a
Put a little boogie in it! Yes! No!
Child! No, come here! Are you kidding
Oh!
Stop! Pencils down!
Go!
Okay, we're off.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
An interrupting cow.
Oh, moo.
No! Yes!
No, what happened to my child? I made it farther than you guys. Yeah!
That was a lucky win for CaptainSparklez.
Which means CaptainSparklez will be facing Hobby Kids in the championship game.
Congratulations to Hobby Kids and CaptainSparklez for making it to the championship.
So, Brandy, what is the championship game gonna be?
They're not gonna know until they play the game. It might be Real versus Gummy challenge. It might be a What's in the Box challenge.
More gameplay?
Video games are always on the table.
Like the shark?
Exactly. We've got the Hobby Kids on the line from the Hobby House. Hobby Kids, how are you feeling right now?
I feel honored. As always, like athletes, 110%. That's what we gave. It was amazing, but difficult, but we loved it.
Thanks, Hobby Frog and Hobby Pig. And Hobby Bear, what are your thoughts?
It was easy. We did it.
Do you have any strategy for the big game?
Oh yeah, we're gonna smush it, and then crush it, and then get a giant hammer and go poof, poof, poof. And then we grab out the ceiling and we poof. And then we get our hands and go poof.
The Hobby Kids sure seem confident.
They sure do. Let's check in with their competitor, CaptainSparklez. Jordan, what's going on in your head right now?
I don't know what to expect here, but I'm gonna take it very, very seriously.
Are you nervous about the championship game? No one knows what it's gonna be.
I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. I've been exercising every inch of my body, all my muscles, my jaw, my neck, my fingers. Could be some video games in here. Could be some eating. Worked out my cuticles even. Made sure they're growing some nice healthy nails, which you need for the video games. And I get right in there and I'm gonna win this thing. Oh, it's gonna be great!
Do you have any last words for Hobby Kids?
Hobby Kids, I'm coming for you. I don't think you are ready for this. The tornado is about to arrive.
Ooh, seems like they're ready to compete.
They sure are.
And the sound of the obnoxious cow could only mean one thing. Pie cam! Thanks, PieCam. As Captain Sparklez and HobbyKids take their places, let's take a look back at their journey to the first annual Pocket Watch Challenge Bowl.
The journey of HobbyKidsTV began with an egg. A giant surprise egg filled with toys that would take YouTube by storm. But this was just the beginning for Hobby Pig, Frog, and Bear. Soon, they would face the world's biggest slinky, giant toothpaste, dinosaurs, sky tubes, and mustache smashing.
I'm not delusional about that.
With each new day, with each new video, with each new challenge, they walk away stronger than before. And now they are ready to face their greatest challenge in the Pocket Watch Challenge Bowl.
Hobby Kids! Hobby Kids! Hobby Kids! Hobby Kids!
What a beautiful, uplifting story.
You said it, Vitaly.
You know what else is uplifting, Brandy?
What?
Watching a trash can full of cereal explode.
Hey, I like where your head's at. If you want to see that too, stick around for the closing ceremony.
But for now, let's take a look back at Captain Sparklez' journey to the championship.
For Captain Sparklez, nothing is out of reach. While he may have started as a master of Minecraft, he has expanded his empire far beyond grids and cubes. Whether racing through Trials Fusion, exploring bizarre subreddits, hitting the streets in the world's most expensive cars,
This Fiat here.
But you want to know what I like a lot more than this new Fiat here?
The cup holders that you can't even see because it's too dark.
or crafting iconic music videos, YouTube dominance is within his grasp. Only one obstacle remains: winning the Pocket Watch Challenge Bowl.
When I say captain, you say Sparklez, captain! Sparkles! Captain! Sparkles! When I say captain, you say Sparklez, captain! Sparkles! Captain! Sparkles!
All right, the moment we've all been waiting for has arrived.
Captain Sparklez and Hobby Kids are in their places.
Let the championship game begin! Okay, we have no idea what game this is, but I mean, the big cardboard box. Have you played anything like that?
Maybe like a what's in the box?
What's in the box?
Maybe,
Who knows? Yeah, that's a good idea.
To win, you must open all the boxes in the fastest time.
You must open all boxes in order.
Okay, it looks like there's 4 boxes, box 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simple enough. Oh, those are in numerical order.
We have dig through me without your hands.
To find the key to box number 2.
This is gonna be difficult.
This looks like an escape box type of game, so I'm assuming you find the key, you open the next box, find the key, open the next box.
Find the key,
so
open the next
to
box.
advance on to the next box, you need to figure out a way to open the
other
box.
All right, I guess we're gonna begin this thing. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Go! Okay. Jeez. This doesn't give very well, does it?
Dig deep into the cake.
So the only rule is you can't use your hands.
Okay.
So that means you could use your feet, you could use your elbows, your neck, your chin,
hair.
your face, your stomach.
Eyeballs.
Yeah, it's anything but your hands.
Gotta look for that key. Come on, you can do it.
You can do it. Hey. That's probably delicious.
I also don't want to get stabbed in the face by a key. So
Captain
Same
Sparklez is eating sprinkles. He should be Captain Sprinkles.
I like your methodical marching of the cake. He's separating. Now when you see it, you gotta use your mouth or your elbows to get the key.
Man, that key
Yeah.
is very well hidden.
Yeah, it's definitely in there.
Yeah.
You see it? Oh, come on. Dig deep.
yeah, pretty great.
I said mouth. Is it delicious?
I don't know where this is. You've got this, man. Keep going. Here, we'll do some push-ups to help you out. Keep going.
Okay, go. Okay, yeah, doing push-ups. Cool. Yeah, just.
I see something. I see plastic.
You got it!
Hey, good,
It's not a key.
Kids, yes, Hobby Kids has a key, or they have something. They found something. It's we're assuming there's a key inside there.
Yeah.
Oh, there you found it.
Gross this. This was in somebody's mouth, which really doesn't help.
Well, at least it's just your brother's mouth.
But
As he's stuffing his mouth with cake.
wow.
Okay. I got it.
Okay, I got the key.
All right, box number 2.
Oh, this way? Oh. Box number 2.
Oh no, it's the key. It's the right one.
Wait, what?
Woo! Box number 2. Here we go. Is this key gonna work? It better. Yes, it is. Glorious. We open.
Sharpen the pencil to pop balloons and find the key to box number 3.
I'm assuming that the key is inside the balloons.
Do you recognize a substance in the bottom of that balloon?
Looks, you know what? From a quick analysis, and as an outside observer, it looks like GURP.
Yeah, it looks like something we're familiar with.
GURP-filled balloons, always.
Get it on me after round 1. All right, so I got some pencils, and I have I have one of the old grade school sharpener.
Come on, you can do this. Oh man. Hurry up, hurry up. Gotta find the pencils.
And a sharpener.
Pencil.
Hey, sharpener.
Okay, sharpener. I see it.
Sharpen that.
Oh, come on, you can do this, Hobby Pig.
You've got this.
Sharpen, sharpen the pencil, come on.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna speed my way through this. See, this is where I have an advantage. I went to school. I did many years of school. Hobby kids probably haven't done nearly as many school years as I have. Okay, we get almost there. See this power?
CaptainSparklez has definitely sharpened a few pencils in his life. He's doing a good job with it. He's very well versed in pencil sharpening.
Use those twisting skills. You've been practicing video games. I know you have dexterity. Come on. You do. Let's do this.
Number 1. I got it in the first one!
Oh, first balloon and right away.
Try it. Just try it.
Come on, you gotta go.
Oh, it's ready.
Oh, wow, slime everywhere.
Slimy.
Oh, that GURP got all over it.
I hope he doesn't like that shirt that much.
And box number 3. Oh, we are out here. We are doing it. I don't know what liquid that was. It's kind of gluey. What do we have over here?
That's the key. Where? I got the key. It's full of slime, but you got it. You're doing that one from. Come on, hurry! You're taking time. Come on.
Yeah. Oh, we have some Diet Coke and Mentos. All right.
I got it. It's open.
Okay, let's get out of here. All right, hold on. This is part of the trick is just opening up the paper.
Oh.
Okay, get it out, buddy. Lift it up. Big, strong muscles.
You got this. Come on, you can do it.
Pull it up. Okay, a little assistance from Dad's not bad, right?
That's right.
Use the Mentos to make the Coke explode to find the key to box number 4. All right, I've done this before.
The main use of Diet Coke is to make it explode.
Mentos. Oh, let's see what the instructions are.
Right in front of myself. All right, well, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Swig for good luck.
Use Mentos to make the Coke explode to find the key for box number 4.
It's just there's gonna be more of that where that came from. Maybe my tongue had Cementos residue on it.
All right, man, put them in, put them in.
Quick, quick.
Put them in, as many as you can, a lot of them.
Oh, that is really exploding. Hobby Kids that's a lead, right?
Yeah,
A lot more came out right away.
a bit.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, CaptainSparklez. Oh, whoa, that's a big explosion.
Yep, that seems about right.
Diet Coke!
Put them in, put them in, put them in.
The invasion of Coke! Why do you put cake in there now?
How about it? I guess we got to get all the way down in there, so here we go.
Oh, CaptainSparklez, that's slowing him down.
Yeah.
He needs to pull them all out of the container. I mean, he might lose the edge with that.
Seems like we pretty much exhausted the reaction at this point. So why don't we just dump out the rest?
He's just eating them.
Oh, wow, look at all that.
Whoa, the whole stream.
That would have been the intelligent thing to do, wouldn't it?
There it is.
Oh, the key!
The key, they found the key. So now we're on to box number 4.
Hurry!
Oh, we got the key. All right, there we go, folks. Woo, boy.
There's just a bunch of filler inside. What's in there? Did they win or what is it?
All right, I don't know how you open this thing. There we go. And I got one final piece of paper.
Okay. A tiny
rolled up paper.
rolled up note.
Push the stop button to stop the timer at the game!
Push the stop button. Oh,
Don't do it,
Stop the button. Hobby Bear.
Hobby Kids!
good game, guys.
Bring out the Challenge Bowl trophy!
POCKET.WATCH Challenge Bowl trophy!
Whoa! Golden gumdrops!
You guys did it!
I can't believe it! That's awesome!
Are you sure?
I'm positive, I promise.
They checked it twice.
That's
and yes. Right, yeah,
Even
yeah,
a golden spoon.
It's a golden spoon for the trophy. Pretty amazing.
It's like a cereal bowl. Oh, I get it, like a bowl.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to tell us what we should do for next year's Challenge Bowl games. And subscribe to POCKET.WATCH if you want to see more exciting, cool, crazy videos like this one.
Let the closing ceremony begin!
I think... Oh! No way! Whoa!
That was so crazy!
That was such a delay!
Going!
That was like a dream I had.
I do like my cereal now.
Oh, it's wet.
wow.
It's pretty wet.
Yeah,
it's
very
nice
wet.
and soggy.
Soggy cereal. No one likes that.
No, who knows?
Thank you guys so much for watching, and a big thanks to our friends from Ryan's Family Review, HobbyKidsTV, CaptainSparklez, and EvanTubeHD for playing in the games this year.
Hey, make sure to head over to their channels to check out their full playoff games.
And be sure to subscribe to POCKET.WATCH to watch us do more crazy stuff.
Adios! Goodbye!